Welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovation. Today, I'm trying to get this EyeVac working again. If you don't know what an EyeVac is, when Amy did hair for a very long time, this is a unit to where it will vacuum up a client's hair when you sweep up afterwards. And it was a very useful tool, and then it started doing something it wasn't supposed to. So you'll see right down here at the bottom, that hole there is where it would pull in the hair. And these are the sensors that the hair being swept in would break the light and it would cause it to turn on. And then this here is the manual that you could bump with the broom or with your foot. This is the inside of the unit. That's where you can take your filter out, or if you take the whole lid off, this is where the hair would accumulate. Now right over here is the power. And so here in this auto mode, you notice it immediately comes on, but in manual mode it doesn't, because manual mode is triggered by this here. So this is Millie, and Millie is the reason I want to get this working again. Appreciate the cleaning there. Millie never stops shedding hair, and I think that might just be something to do with labs. And so we have to sweep every day. And if we don't sweep every day, the hair accumulates, and also the abundance of sand. And I mean, we're 100 miles from the coast, and you'd think this was the beach with the amount of sand that will get trapped in her hair because she loves to roll in it. And so when she gets inside and shakes off, sand and hair everywhere. So my plan is I'm going to check these out here, and being they're in a very dusty area, they may just have stuff on the sensors. I'm gonna get a Q-tip, see if I can clean them out and solve this problem. As you can see, zoomed up close, they are pretty dirty. And this whole unit is really dirty. I don't have anything on the Q-tips right now. So I didn't really do a whole lot of anything. Let me try something else. Well, it's mean and it's green. I'm gonna try spray a little in there. Well, that's better. I'm going to put it back on auto. Blue light's on. It didn't immediately come on. That's good. Now let's break the beam. Okay, that's good. It shut off. That's great. So this was a very simple fix, clean the beams, and now it works. But very simple things can often get overlooked, or you just don't want to deal with them. This unit, we haven't used since we've moved here, and at the old house, we would use it with the manual mode. We just didn't want to deal with it. Hadn't really had a place for it, but now we are just, it's almost been a year and we are tired of the constant, where's the dustpan? so we can get the hair and sand and get rid of it. So this is going to be a great tool. So now I'm going to clean it up for Amy and put it up. That looks much better. All right, got the EyeVac right by the door. Got it clicked onto auto. There's my little pile of Millie hair and sand. Let's see how it works. So that's just a very simple little project. Check off of the list of the 1,000 things to do. And now that'll help us with Millie's cleanup. We can get rid of this hair easier just by pushing the broom around and not having to find a place to dump the hair. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you see an EyeVac come up on one of the for sale sites, grab it. Might not have anything wrong with it. Might be something as simple as the eyes being dirty. But pick it up. It's a convenience, and I kind of like it. See you next time.